If you have been hearing about everything that has been happening in Enugu, from the launch of Enugu Air, the renovated International Conference Centre that hosted two landmark national events last year, talking about the NBA conference and the National Institute of Surveyors annual conference that we are hosted in ICC booths last year. It has also hosted a major event this year, this February, talking about the Southeast Development Commission Stakeholders Forum event that was hosted this February. We can also talk about the launch of 5 major ultra-modern bus terminals with CNG buses, and the most recent, the Enugu Air factory. All of these things and so many other infrastructural developments are what is helping Enugu to get both local and foreign attention to actually get a buy and build property that is in a very good area. Currently in Enugu, you'll be spending from 30 million naira, 50 million naira, or even 70 million naira and above. So if you have been looking forward to owning a buy and build property, a property that you can buy and start building immediately, or buy and hold for, let's say, 2 to 5 years, and you can start building, or you can either decide to resell. We are here today at Shiloh Gardens Estate. This is one of our fast-selling estates, and it is strategically located here in Independence Layout Phase 2, a location that so many people call the new Enugu. So this is actually a location that the government themselves are the one that is deliberately pushing development to this location. The aim to decongest the main Enugu and open up a new economic hub. This particular estate is very close to the new Kenyatta Market. It's also very close to new Artisan, and it's just behind Premier Layout. And it's also very accessible to the PRODA Quarters. We also have other established estates around here. You talk about Goshen Estate, Graceland Estate, and Dolphin Estate, and so much more. So a plot here is currently selling for the price of 15 million naira, and we have a flexible payment plan available. Make an initial deposit of 50% and conveniently spread the balance within 3 months. It also comes with a solid title document. When you buy here, you're getting a deed of assignment, registered survey plan, and irrevocable power of attorney. All in less than 3 weeks. Your documentations are out. And here, as you can see, the estate gate is already on standing, and the perimeter fencing is already on, and this behind me is the security house. So when you buy here, you'll be getting allocated instantly. So if you want a buy and build property that you can buy and start building immediately, or hold and resell for profit, Shiloh Gardens Estate is the best deal for you. So to secure some plots for yourself here in Shiloh Gardens Estate, call me or send a message to the number shown on screen. Thank you, and do enjoy a great day.